Let me tell you what's cooking. Brace yourselves for the mind-blowing lock screen transition effects we've all been craving for ages. You heard me right. Your lock screen is about to get a turbo boost of awesomeness. And guess what? You don't have to wait any longer, baby, because I'm spilling the beans on how to get the update right now. Now let's talk about this mind-melting deal from our partners at Ultra Mobile. I'm talking premium wireless service PLU's international talking and texting to a hopping 80-plus destinations. So all my international viewers, this one's for you. Just hit up ultramobile.com and use code SPRINGER to get an exclusive 15% discount on any 3-month plan. And wait, there's more. They got a limited time offer for 3 months of service on the 2 gigabyte and above plans. So you better snag that deal like a boss. But hold up, fam, that's not all. We've got some wicked custom wallpapers in the mix too. I'm talking about deep customization like you've never seen before. You can now create your own moving wallpapers with mind-blowing effects. And hey, Samsung didn't forget about our foldable fam. Oh no. They're serving up a double whammy for y'all. Set a different wallpaper for each display. Talk about flexing like a pro. Plus, for you fold and flip users, there's a super cool Labs feature inside Wonderland that takes your transition effects to the next level. It's like your phone is doing the funky dance moves while you fold and flip it. I mean, how cool is that? So here's the deal. Hit up the Galaxy Store and grab Samsung Good Lock, because that's your golden ticket to Wonderland. Once you're in, the party's just getting started. Pick from a smorgasbord of transition effects. We've got CRT, Pixelate, Ripple, Sphere, Warp, Edge, Blur, and more. And you can tweak them all, baby. Adjust the speed, intensify the vibe. It's like having your own personal DJ for your lock screen. I'm not done yet. I got a surprise for you. Want to see some real action? Check out my lock screen right now. I got the Sphere effect doing its thing. It's like a magic yarn ball of excitement on my lock screen. And hey, let's not forget about my fold. I'm rocking the edge effect on the outer screen and Pixelate on the inner screen. It's like I'm living in a techno fantasy land, and I'm loving every second of it. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification icon, cause One UI 6.0 is just around the corner.